Some members of United States legal cannabis movement think that marijuana is a bad word and are pursuing to end its use. We can predict, considering over 50 world languages, use the term to describe the magical noise that so many people love to smoke. The etymological antagonism, that is opposition against those who think it is a bad word, may strike us as curious. Expatiation and connotation, as choice A and B both mean the elaboration of anything. It is not relevant to the passage with respect to the comparison shown in the passage to be stricken with the elaboration of etymology. Rather, the elaboration can give us more information where no comparison is needed. So choice A and B are incorrect answer and they are eliminated. Now, nuance as choice C means a subtle difference in or shade of meaning which is not enough to be compared oppositely to strike us to differentiate between good and bad. So choice C is also eliminated. Amity as choice D means a harmony, and a harmony or friendly attitude only can enhance the condition with same vibe, and it cannot make us stricken with the rectified opposite friction. So choice D is also eliminated. Animosity as choice E means antipathy, hostility, or antagonism which meets the prediction we did and can make sense to fill the blank as a relevant correct answer. So the correct answer is choice E.